Hey guys, today we find ourselves in the beautiful city of West Miami, Florida. And right behind me, we have my newest listing coming to market. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom with 1,325 square feet. And it has loads of upgrades throughout every inch of this home. Now, West Miami is an excellent area for families because of its safety and also its proximity. It's so close to the city of Coral Gables. So there's so much to do. It's an amazing area. So I think you guys are really gonna love it. Let's go inside and check it out.